Hey guys, quick product review for you about this nightstand, also called a side table. It's got outlets in it and places to store things. Today I'm going to tell you all about it, unbox it, and let you know what I think. Dazzling Dave here today, doing some yo-yo tricks. I'm on the road traveling from county fair to county fair, and it's been such a busy year that I haven't had a lot of time to do my regular reviews, product reviews. Well, tonight I'm in a hotel, got a few hours to myself, and I thought, what the heck, it'd be a perfect time to put together a product review for you guys. And the one I want to review right now, the company sent it to me for free for reviewing it. It's called a side table, or kind of a nightstand thing. It looks pretty cool. It's got an outlet and USB chargers built into it, so you don't have to worry about getting to a wall that way. It's just a nice open stand that'll probably work as a nightstand. I'm going to unbox it, take a look at all of it, quality, make sure it's a good quality unit, or not. I guess it's just a review. Here we go. Let's get started. Okay. Package, really solid corrugated board. Kind of a lightweight styrofoam, but appears to protect it very well. All right. Looks like it's a pretty easy to follow, straightforward manual. Not a lot of words, mostly pictures, but no, actually, next steps have quite a bit of words. So we'll get into that and see how it goes. It's your typical kind of a IKEA-like stuff with its pressed wood kind of thing and laminated with nice looking black color. I like that. Holes appear to be drilled nicely, no imperfections. All right, here's the electrical cord that obviously fits in the unit, but then runs off to a outlet. Hardware pack. Each individual piece is numbered, which will probably be great for doing the assembly. Oh, nice. Metal frames for the legs. Good solid feel. At least I assume it's legs, and it could be for the framework, actually. There we go. All right, well, that's the unboxing. Seems to be packaged well. Everything feels pretty decent, heavy duty wise. This next part, I'm just going to put it together and voice it over. Thanks for watching. Okay, so the assembly for this nightstand or side table was very straightforward. All the parts and hardware are labeled and numbered, and the pictures and words work together to make sure that everything goes together well. One thing I'd say is don't use the tool that comes with it. If you've got a Phillips screwdriver that has a bigger handle on it, it'll be a lot easier to screw this together. All right, main frame is very solid. The metal and the way that the bolts pulled it up tight made it very, very firm. But I could probably even stand on it, but well, I won't test that. Once the frame was built, it was quite easy to attach the drawer top right to it. These screw-in leveling legs seem like a really good touch. I haven't put this into the room I was planning on using it, but I know it's got a hard floor, so a lot of times when you get close to the wall, you kind of lose a little bit of the levelness right at the very edge there. So I think having these were going to be great for making sure that the nightstand is level. Here's the only spot where I found an error in the instructions. It said that this would be pre-drilled for this outlet. It wasn't. I had to press hard to get it to grab, but it worked fine. All right. Well, that's it. It's already put together. Solid. Wood looks pretty nice. I'm not sure how great it'll stand up to chipping if it gets hit because it is just pressed wood with a kind of a laminate on it. But the metal's real nice powder coat paint. Electrical seems great. Everything about it seems pretty solid. One nice thing, they sent a lot of extra pieces. There's like basically one extra piece in everything in case you lose something. You're no trouble in getting another one to make sure that you have all the pieces to put it together. It's solid. I'm going to put it in the room, use it for a little bit, and let you know what I think about it after I've had it for a little while. Give you an idea of the dimensions. This side table is about 24 inches tall, about 17 inches wide, and about 12 inches deep. We have been using this nightstand in my son's bedroom for the last few weeks, and he really likes it. The ability to charge his iPad and his phone right next to the bed is great for him. Having the ability to have a clock and a light there if needed, and not having to dig behind the headboard trying to find an outlet. It's been great. It's held up well. There's no major chipping or any problems that way. So overall, I give this a thumbs up. It's a great nightstand.